curb real estate speculation and protect consumer rights. The Ministry of the Interior held a press conference on April 25 to preview the draft sub-law supporting the equalization of land rights regulations. The 5 newly added sub-laws include the permit system for private legal entities to purchase housing. The Ministry of the Interior announces the exemption of private entities from permission in accordance with Articles 79-1, Paragraph 1. Of the Equalization of Land Rights Ordinance, the sales contract of pre-sold houses and newly completed houses, the transfer or resale status of sales contracts of pre-sold houses and newly completed regulations on the use of reporting rewards and fines for real estate sales transactions, and registration information reporting cases regarding the permit for private corporations to purchase residential properties. When the regulations were revised, the needs of private corporations to perform business operations were considered and divided into 2 types: permission-free and permission-required. In the draft announcement on permission exemption situations, there are 9 situations where there is consensus that the purchase and acquisition of housing by a private legal person is necessary for the public welfare, including state-owned enterprises, a public enterprise that receives donations from a government, asset management companies invested by financial institutions, AMC, purchase collateral for non-performing assets, the brokerage industry purchased defective items to ensure creditors' rights and stabilize the real estate financial market. Private corporations acquire residences, purchase of privately owned monuments, historical buildings, memorial buildings and other residences subject to the Cultural Assets Protection Act, priority purchase in accordance with legal provisions, owners, implementers, investors, etc. within the scope of the urban renewal plan, purchase residences within the scope, the founder and owner of a dilapidated old-age reconstruction project, purchase the residence within the scope of a project, signing a joint construction contract with the landowner, and purchasing the landowner's residence are included in a permit-free project or are included in license-exempt projects. In addition, in the draft licensing measures, 6 situations in which private legal persons need to purchase residential buildings, including purchase as dormitory, large-scale rental operation, use of health and welfare institution premises, purchase of residences by cooperatives for shared use by members, joint construction, implementation or participation in urban renewal and elderly care, and other uses announced by the Ministry of the Interior. However, the residences obtained with their permission must be subject to a 5-year transfer restriction to avoid being sold for short-term speculation in disguised form. In terms of restricting the exchange and resale of pre-sold houses, the revised law includes 2 drafts: measures for review of assignment or resale and announcement and circumstances allowed for assignment or resale. Among them, the draft announcement on circumstances allowed for assignment or resale includes the 6 types of major accidents. Exceptions apply for approval of contract renewal, involuntary resignation without employment for more than 6 months, suffering from major injuries and illnesses, having to rent another house due to disaster damage, major accidents, the death of the original buyer and the heirs have no intention of retaining it, joint purchase transfer between recipients, etc. In addition, the Ministry of the Interior has announced a draft method for the use of reporting rewards and fines, which stipulates the types of bonuses to be issued for reporting violations, including cases of overdue or false declaration of real price registration, violation of red order resale, restrictions on contract exchange and prohibition of speculation, if a reported case is verified to be true. After the penalty is determined and the collection is completed, 30% of the actual fine collected will be awarded as a reporting bonus, and the upper limit of the case bonus is $10 million NT. The Ministry of the Interior emphasized that in this revision of the law, real name and specific evidence-based reporting will be adopted, and specific information such as the person, matter, time, place, An object of a violation case must be provided to avoid false reporting that affects the order of market transactions. The contents of a file subgroup in this notice will be made public on the Public Policy Online Participation platform for downloading, querying, and collecting opinions. Everyone is welcome to make suggestions. The Land Affairs Office of Batasi District. Taoyuan cares about you.